Hello and welcome to Found Portugal. If you're thinking about living in Portugal, today we're going to talk about one of the most sought-after visa options for expats, the D7 visa. It's perfect for retirees and people with passive income. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know, from the requirements, necessary documents, to the benefits, and what to do when you arrive in Portugal. Stick with me until the end. What is the D7 visa? The D7 visa, also known as the Passive Income Visa, was created by the Portuguese government to attract foreigners with stable incomes, such as pensions, investments, rental income, or other foreign earnings. It allows you to live legally in Portugal and enjoy everything this beautiful country has to offer. If you want to live in Portugal in a peaceful and secure way, this visa is an excellent option, especially if you already have steady income and are looking for a lifestyle change. Who can apply for the D7 visa? It's designed for two main groups: retirees, who receive pension income from outside of Portugal; people with passive income, like rental income, dividends, or investment returns. To qualify, you need to prove that you have enough income to live in Portugal. The minimum required is approximately 8,460 euro per year for the main applicant. This amount increases by 50% for a spouse and 30% for each dependent. So, if you're bringing your family, make sure to adjust the income accordingly. Necessary documents. Now that you know if you're eligible, let's talk about the documents you'll need to apply for the D7 visa. Here's a list of what you need to gather before starting the process. 1. Completed visa application form. 2. Valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. 3. Proof of passive income. This could be tax returns, bank statements, or rental contracts. 4. Proof of accommodation in Portugal, such as a rental contract or an invitation letter. 5. Valid health insurance for Portugal. 6. Criminal record certificate from every country you've lived in for the past 5 years. 7. Recent passport-sized photos. Make sure all your documents are properly filled out and, if necessary, translated and certified. The process at the consulate can go much more smoothly if everything is in order from the start. Application process. The next step is the application process. You'll need to schedule an appointment at the Portuguese consulate in your home country and bring all the required documents. Keep in mind, there's usually a processing fee, typically between $50 and $100, which you'll need to pay at the time. Once you've submitted the documents, the review process can take 60 to 90 days. If everything is approved, you'll receive a temporary visa valid for 4 months, allowing you to enter Portugal. Arriving in Portugal and residency permit. Once you arrive in Portugal, you'll need to schedule an appointment with the Immigration and Border Service, also known as AIMA, to apply for your residency permit. This initial permit will be valid for 2 years and can be renewed for another 3 years. For the AIMA appointment, bring all your documents, including proof of legal entry into Portugal, proof of accommodation, health insurance, and your NIF, tax identification number. This is the final step to secure your legal residency, renewal and tax benefits. After 2 years, you can renew your visa for another 3 years, as long as you continue to meet the requirements. After 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency or even Portuguese citizenship. Portugal also offers great tax benefits for expats, especially through the non-habitual resident and NHR regime. For 10 years, you can benefit from tax exemptions or reductions on foreign income, pensions, and even capital gains. Now you know everything you need to get your D7 visa and start your new life in Portugal. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about life in Portugal or other visa options, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.